Alright guys, so today we're gonna be installing some jacking rails in the 2019 Mustang GT. And so what these do is they give you more points where you can put jack stands or lift your car up. So it'll be a little bit easier, a little bit more rigid spaces. So you won't have to worry about accidentally bending your pinch point. Alright, so to begin, you're going to take off these two bolts near the front of the car, near the pinch weld. I'm going to have to take this jack off in a bit because it'll interfere with where the placement of the jacking rails go. Then you're going to take off only this one off the back because this one doesn't get used.
Is the front one 14 or 15?
Yeah, they're all 15.
Okay. Do you want me to take off this other one too or no?
Huh?
You take off this other one too?
Yeah. Here you go.
Ready?
Yeah.
I got it if you want to record.
Yeah, I got the jack on. No, I'll just come back. Do it. Huh?
No, use the back already.
Alright. You notice it always just 1 second when it's tight. Try to put in. Get it?
Yeah, just tighten it up so I can hold it. You can show your viewers.
Wrong one?
No, the bolt thing was in my way.
The 14?
Yeah. No, the little cap for this was in my way.
Yeah. I'm close. Oh, ready. A little bit more forward. You're good right there. All right.